Welcome back, everybody. We are installing our all-weather floor mats for the Tesla Model Y 2024. I got a 2024 Stealth Gray Model Y with the white seats, and I've just been experiencing a lot of difficulty cleaning my carpets because when we go to the beach with the kids always come back sandy. They get sand all in the carpets, and it's just really difficult to get out. So I'm gonna put the all-weather floor mats in today. I'm gonna remove the stock carpets, no more of these, and we're gonna put these in. Take a look at this. The back seat, definitely gotta pull this one out. Set this right here real quick. Now I got the passenger side. Alright. I have two more small pieces left, one for the front and one for the trunk. I think this one is for the front. I do have some stuff in my front, so we're gonna set it on top of this. And flip it the other way. There we go. Guess it goes in like that. Probably this one. Yeah, this one. This one's a bit bigger, so the bigger one goes in the front. Swap it. Yep, perfect fit. These are my things that I take for my baby or babies on the road. And we're gonna put this one in the front, in the back, in the trunk. All right. My trunk is super clean, thanks to my husband. Look at that. This little piece is gonna go here. Okay. Once I have it the wrong way. Is it the wrong way? No, I had it right the first time. All right. There we go. I do have one more big piece. I gotta put the third row down. What is that? This one is for the back. I helped you. Here is the big piece. It's gonna go across the whole back. So if you guys have, you know, like animals, you can lay this whole back seat down and the hair won't get in it. Or if you want to lay something like furniture or something, your seats won't get scratched up and it'll save your fabric. Your ball?
Yeah.
So I will definitely find these floor mats useful. They are all weather, even though it's summertime. You know, summertime you go to the desert,